so this game is called animal guessing games. Right? We play that game a lot in class, so we thought that you would love to play it with us, with the video as well. So, I will give you one example, okay? I will describe an animal, and at the end I will give you the answer for the example. I am soft and furry cat. I have 4 legs and a long tail. I have sharp teeth and claws. I like to chase mouse. I am if you say cat, you were good. I am a cat. Now, the game starts. We have 3 guessing for you, okay? And Mr. Johan is not going to tell you the answer, okay? You have to find the answer and you have to send it to us if you want to play with us. The first one is, listen carefully. I have wings, but I'm not a bird. I am small and colorful. I have a lot of colors. I live in gardens and fields and forests too. I used to be a caterpillar. Who am I? This is the first one. All right, next animal guessing. You ready? Everybody listen again. I am very, very big. I like to eat peanuts all day long. I have 4 legs and 2 big ears. My long nose is called a trunk. Who am I? And the last one. You ready? Again. Open your ear. I have a little twinkly tail. My nose is called a snout. I live on farms mostly. I can say oil, 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 oil. Who am I? That one is easy. Alright, so now you have the 3 questions. Can you answer them? Did you find a good answer? If you listen carefully, I think you already know the answer. So, if you want to answer the question, you can send us the answer after the clip, and we will review them. Alright, this is the end of our animal guessing games. I hope you enjoy this, and I want to say see you soon. Bye-bye.